Hi, my name is Mitch King, and we're looking at today the 15-minute chart for Donald Trump's meme coin that he introduced yesterday. And it started trading yesterday, I believe, around 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon Pacific time. You're looking at the universal time at the bottom. I think it's called coordinated universal time. So it started trading right in here, and that price was approximately 29.30, and then it dropped down a little bit at its low at 22.64. So by 2 in the morning Pacific time, which is the time zone I'm on, it reached up to as high as about almost $100. So review, it goes from 23 to 100 essentially, and then 30 minutes later it dropped down from 99 to 54, which is a big percentage drop. So, in general, cryptocurrency is really volatile, especially when it just starts trading. And then if we look over here, which is 21:15 universal time, which if we subtract 8 hours for Pacific Coast, so that would be 3:15 on Sunday, January 19th. This really sold off from around $73.50, went to a low of around $37 to $38. And this is when Melania Trump introduced her meme coin today, which is $Melania. And we'll take a look at that in just a moment. This was a pretty big drop, almost a 50% haircut from this price of 75 to 37. This is Melania's trading. Doesn't have near the volume or the interest, but it did start at a lower price around $4.40, reached a high over $14 just in about a short period of time, maybe 3 hours later. And then it sold off and cut in half from this $14.60 high to it's currently $7.14 right here. So there's more interest in the Donald Trump coin. It's very high risk, so use a small position. I want to explain a little bit some suggestions I have for. I want to give you some recommendations what has performed best on how to trade something like any futures or crypto or stocks. Let's take a look at this, for example. Let's say that you want it to go up and you buy the stock, or in this case, this cryptocurrency of Donald Trump's, you want to go long. That means you buy it first. So what you want is the stock, or in this case, the crypto, to move up first and prove that it is bullish, or there are buyers. And in this case, if you look to the far right, this was 24 and a quarter roughly earlier yesterday, and then it climbed up to 45. So it almost doubled, and then it sold off real gradually, flattened out, and started to go up. So right about here, it's starting to go up. That's when you start buying. Let it go up, and we call that confirmation, where you're confirming that it's going in the direction that you want it to go so you can make a profit. In this case, you want it to go up first before you enter, and you're giving up some of that profit where it came down as low as $24 and coming up. That's okay. You want to require anything that you're going to buy to move up before you go long. And so right in here is my suggestion or recommendation that you want to buy. And the same thing happened. The price went up quite a bit, and you're long, and let's say you're long around here, $46. And this crypto is really, really volatile, so it went up. So let's say you were long at $29, and this crypto with Donald Trump's went up to 44, sold off again, and you're waiting for that to go up again. So you're buying right in here. When it comes to something like this, where it's extremely volatile, and this is a 15-minute candle, so it moved from $60 all the way up to just about $100, and it came down sharply. Don't be buying when it's dropping that fast. You need to let it flatten out and drop down, flatten out, just stop going down, turn up, get your confirmation, try to go long. I like it when it's a lot more gentle motion in here. Something like really slow moving, flattens out, starts going up. In my opinion, this hasn't gone up enough. To me, this is flattened out and starting to go up, but it needs to go up a little more before you get enough confirmation that it's safe to go long. Now remember, in this case, it is getting late on Sunday night. It's probably going to trade a lot more volatile tomorrow. Donald Trump is going to be the president. His term starts tomorrow, January 20th, 2025. Okay, now this is about 45 minutes to an hour after I posted that you're wanting to look for price to move up before you go long. So I would visually guess that your entry point would have been about 48.50 to 49, and that low was about 42. So you're looking for, you're not trying to find the exact bottom, because that's going to be a losing game. You need to see it move up, and then you go long. And if you do that, your win rate is going to be quite a bit higher. So this is an example of the Trump coin, which is the Donald Trump coin, and now there's the Melania coin, which is his spouse. So I hope that helps you. Let me give you one more example. The one you're looking at is a 15-minute chart. So now I'm going to show you a daily chart with the stock symbol FAST. And what I want to show you here are a couple places of which you could see and visualize where confirmation is needed. Let's say if you're going to do a short, you're waiting for this blue line to start heading downwards before you go short. And so I'm going to put a down arrow here, and that would mean that the close of this daily candle, so one of these candles represents the whole day's trading, would tell you, hey, this blue line, which is a moving average, is starting to turn down after going up for a while. Then you're going to enter the beginning of the next day's opening, which would be somewhere around 82.97, and you could follow that short position down all the way until it starts turning up down here, which would be right there on the yellow up arrow. So you would close the beginning of the next day at about 72.33. So that's how you need that confirmation that it's going down first before you short, or it's going up before you go long. And that would give you that confirmation that, hey, it's heading up before I go long. The odds are with me to make some money. So I hope that helps you. If you like what you see, click subscribe and click the like button so you'll be able to see more of these when we post these trades. You take care. My name is Mitch King. Have a great day.